Let's begin the automation of our next series called as Let's Automate. Here I'm going to restrict the timing for a particular app or apps so that I don't exceed the usage of it, or rather minimize the misuse. So I will say app timers, and then I will select app timers. Then here I am supposed to select certain apps. So let's say I'm going to select all the games. I'm going to click on set timer. I'm going to set the days I would want to restrict, and then let's say I'm going to increase it for 2 hours, and I'm clicking on done. Here we see the all the games are selected and say 2 hours left of the 2 hours, and I'm going to click on plus sign. I'm going to select something else. Let's select WhatsApp. I'm going to select WhatsApp and Telegram. Say set timer. I'm going to exclude it on the weekends, and I'm going to use it for 5 hours. Okay, 5 days, 5 hours. It's like 1 hour a day. Done. So this is set. This is how we can reduce the misuse of apps if we are not able to control ourselves. So automatically the timer would start, and then today I have used 20 minutes of WhatsApp, so it's showing that it's not 5 hours that I am left with, it's just 4 hours 40 minutes. So it is automatically calculating. I can use the apps for all the 5 hours in one day itself, or I can use only 20 minutes, so that it by the end of those 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I am not exceeding more than 5 hours. Thank you.